How to find your shopping activity on Instagram. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find your shopping activity on Instagram. It's so easy and quick, so let's jump in. First thing, go to your Instagram and click on the shop icon beside Reels. Now all you need to do is click on those three lines up there and click on shopping activity. Now, like you see, I have no shopping activity because I didn't ever shop on this account or on my store or on my Instagram. So in here you're gonna find the list of your shopping activity and your favorite, all your favorite brand and product, and this is it. So this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.